welcome to the channel again, viewers and subscribers. You know, we're in a farm again, and today we are planting some sweet potato slip, and we are going to show you how we do it. You know I go already. Yeah, right now we are dig out some hole to plant the slip them. So, we just show you how we do it. You know I go already. Always plant, we are plant. Yeah. So right now we are going to dig out some hole in that little area here. And then we are going to plant the potato slip them. So we are going to show you how we do it. Then, let's go and watch how go on.
Yeah.
Alright, top of part is it?
Get there.
Yeah.
Up in the farm with them man, real man.
Yeah, do it.
And till the soil and I put in the food man.
Mm-hmm.
See them where it goes.
Alright, that's how with the viewers and subscribers. Alright, that's the sweet potato bed. Alright, that's all the sweet potato bed viewers and subscribers. That's how we plant the sweet potato then. Yeah, read them. All kind of something viewers and subscribers.
Yeah,
man.
yes.
So we are dig some hole like this. Right now we are dig some hole like this. We want them in some eave. Like this. I will dig the hole them and make them in some eave. And I go dig both. I dig about 1 year to them viewers and subscribers. I show you how I plant potato slip. Come on, a simple thing. We all have potato here.
Yeah,
Potato here, viewers and subscribers. Come on.
Real man. There's a
The
food
potato
there.
the unite.
There's a
The
food
viewers
there.
and subscribers. But we're not quite ready yet still, viewers and subscribers.
Not quite ready. It's young man. It's young.
Young.
Yeah.
Oh, I go and put in some more still, you know.
I mean, we never stop planting, man. We grow what we eat, you know.
Come on. Can't stop planting.
Yeah. I mean, up in the farming with them, man. All in the sun hot, we have to till the soil, man.
Yeah, man.
And keep it going. Our food has to eat. If you don't till the soil, you can't eat no proper food.
Yeah, potato here again.
And more food is here again. The food is here already, you know. We're gonna put in some more food in the ground again. Whoever have a crop of potato can eat. See, they're up in the ground, what you mean? Till the soil.
Imagine if we left this one.
Oh, no, get big, you know. Yeah.
Young, still up.
Yeah,
viewers, we have potato in our ground, viewers and subscribers.
yes, man.
I dig him up.
I mean,
See if him have nothing funny.
natural growing, man.
Yeah, man, I'm strictly organic. Watch out, boom, down in there now.
Down in there.
You have to look for when it stays full, eh?
Yeah.
Just look if it's running. Always check if it's having.
It's a video, yeah, man.
Yeah, viewers. Right now we have potato in our room, viewers and subscribers. We have to dig him out. Yeah. So that's a 2 already, viewers and subscribers. I dig a couple more. We'll find potato here, viewers and subscribers.
Yes, man. Ready, man. Food here.
Yeah.
Yeah. For real.
I find food already, viewers and subscribers. Sweet potato.
Sweet potato is here, man.
Yeah, man. That young still, viewers. You want some more time in the ground. So I'm going to make one more right here, so go some close up one.
Yeah.
Got the vice.
Yeah.
Some close up.
Real, man.
Yeah. Now I'm going to dig one more right here, so we can see what I go on. I'm going to dig it like this. And heap up the dirt. Dig it in a hill like you can plant yam. Sweet potato is a Sweet potato is a thing, it like soft dirt. Mostly like soft dirt, so you have to get the dirt soft. Yeah. So it can have a good growth. And bear proper, the right way. Yeah. Right now, just I dig out some hole. Soften up the land, viewers and subscribers. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, people, so things still are going in our farm for you, man.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man. Whole heap of things are going in our farm.
Food here, man. I mean, food here. Put in more food to eat. Yeah, the farm is here. Lots of fruit trees here and all these things.
Come look closer. Video
Yeah,
too.
man.
Go down with the video. Show me and flow up the farm, you know?
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, like to look there. We're done and set it. We're gonna see some more video again. We're gonna reap some more potato.
Yeah, people. And the next 6 months or 6 to 7 months, 6 to 8 months, we can reap potato. Around that time it takes ready after you plant it. Yeah. I show you everything what go on.
Yeah. Up to the next video again. More potato. Yeah. The food in the ground.
You want potato there in the ground. Potato well active in the ground.
Well active in the ground, man. Yeah. Yeah. Digging out some.
So we are do a planting and a harvesting in one viewers and subscribers.
Potato there. Yes, yeah, go there. Yeah, good. Right now, there.
We did, eh? Yeah, viewers. So, we do the last one, you know, down to the last one, viewers and subscribers. I plant sweet potato slip. Okay, I harvest some. So we harvest some here so already. Almost rotten out viewers and subscribers. A piece I must good same way. Get a close up look there. There you are. So we plant and harvest at the same time. So I dig the last one right here, so then here viewers see more potato here. Get a put it there so.
Oh, now well fit, you know. Really.
Potato and good.
Really, man. Nice potato to eat. Man. Food in the ground. Food we are get out of ground here, yeah. Potato they have to eat. Oh yeah. Tell the people them we love eat. Oh, no must eat up lots of potato.
Video
Yeah. Up with the same way, man.
yeah, viewers, so we are harvest and plant at the same time, viewers and subscribers. You know, we have food in the ground same way. We are put in, we are get out food same way. Yeah, people. So that's our last one. Dig up right here so I see if no potato and I. Yeah, viewers and subscribers. So, fine potato.
Oh, potato to eat again. Yeah. This them is farmer till the soil and I get the food. Yeah. Up to the thing in the farming. Yeah.
Yeah, people. So we are digging and harvest at the same time. We are digging and harvest at the same time, people.
Yeah.
Plant if we plant and harvest at the same time. That is here, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, viewers and subscribers.
Yeah.
So we are plant and harvest at the same time. And we are find potato in the ground.
Ready to eat. Yeah.
You must keep the video straight.
Yeah, not sure. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, shit. Shit,
Yeah,
man. What do you mean, man?
not do it long though.
Yeah.
Short, huh?
Short. Perfect.
If I cut it with you.
Yeah.
So we are find sweet potato same time we are plant viewers and subscribers. You know you go. Farming it Rasta. See the people? I find sweet potato. Farming it Rasta viewers and subscribers. Yeah, viewers and subscribers, we are fine sweet potato. Put on this again.
I'm ready to eat. Ready to eat. Yeah.
This way.
Oh, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, viewers and subscribers. We have sweet potato in our ground. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Oh, the ready to
Yeah, viewers and subscribers. We are fine sweet potato. Well, nice viewers and subscribers. So we are doing a little planting and harvesting at the same time, viewers and subscribers. We are fine sweet potato. Yeah. So keep on watching, viewers and subscribers, and thanks to all those who are supporting. Yeah, viewers and subscribers. So this is how you plant sweet potato and harvest it using a fork. Yeah. Don't go do it.
Don't go.
Work with me.
Don't go. Sure.
Nah, di itu boleh still na.
No, I can't do it.
Problem now cause for myself.
You want to cut you out there. You want to listen.
Yeah, viewers. So we have only more sweet potato, but can't harvest the whole at one time. So we are gonna leave some of it. Yeah. I'm gonna leave some of it till the next day, viewers and subscribers. And plant out some. So we are gonna plant now back on. So we are gonna plant out some potato slip, which is them part here are potato. This part are the potato. So yeah. So this is what we plant when we don't have no sweet potato bits. Yeah. So this is what we plant and get the sweet potato from. Yeah. So we're gonna plant out some of them here. Right now in the hole them we dig and in the ear them we dig up. Yeah, I'm gonna see how we plant sweet potato. So you can harvest it just like this. Down there. Yeah, so you can harvest it just like this, viewers and subscribers. Yeah man. And we'll eat more than in the ground too, but yeah. We'll eat more than in the ground too, but we can't harvest all at one time. I have to leave some. We'll see what I go on here, so. Crack a one, you know.
That's the one, yeah. One big one, there.
I'll catch you?
Yes.
Oh yeah. Yeah, this one in there.
Yes, one.
Yeah, viewers and subscribers, so we are finding sweet potato in the ground, same way. Ocean. Only for sweet potato in the ground, viewers and subscribers. Yeah. Fine, we are finding them. Alright. Go the other direction there.
Yeah. So, man. Not down there.
Yeah. Yeah, viewers and subscribers. So that's how we find so far. So we're going to cut the potato, slip them now for use and plant back. Yeah. So this is our potato slip. And at them here we are going to plant back. At them here I go grow and bear and give you some powerful sweet potatoes, viewers and subscribers. Yeah. Them here I go grow back and give you some powerful sweet potato. So I cut off some of them here and plant them in a hole where we dig up. You don't have no specific way how you cut it. You can cut it whichever way you want. And them still go grow.
I mean, still all grow. Get food to eat off of them. Yeah.
Yes, viewers and subscribers. So we have a sweet potato already. Right now, we're going to plant. But watch if it still has it there.
Yeah.
Yeah, viewers and subscribers. Them here are potato slip and them here we are going to plant. So we have a couple of them already. We have a couple of them already. Hold on, video me, video me. We have a couple of them already. And we have go ahead and put them in. No, you go. Come over here. Follow me. Come closer. Yeah, viewers and subscribers. So, this is how we are going to plant it. We're going to put that in here. We're going to put this end down in the earth. Down in the earth. Yeah. So that in here. That part here. That part here we run. And that part here I go grow come up. Yeah, viewers and subscribers. So we are going to plant this right in here. So. Like this. Come closer to yeah, we plant about two of them. Two of them in there, viewers and subscribers. Because them are going to grow and them are going to start run. Potato is a vine, it grow like a vine, like pumpkin, and run. Yeah, run just like yam and pumpkin and them thing there. Yeah. So all we need are those two of them in there, viewers and subscribers. And we come right here, so and plant two in here, so too. Like this. Catch it close up for me. Yeah. Plant two of them in there, viewers and subscribers. Like this. We'll cover it up back like that. Yeah, so when the rain fall, them run off properly, viewers and subscribers. Follow us coming. Yeah. So we're planting potato slips, viewers and subscribers. Come with me, don't I? Yeah, viewers and subscribers. Today is a sweet potato day. So, what we are going to do with them there right now, we are going to make a sweet potato pudding. Yeah. Probably video it make you see. Not sure still, you know. Probably something will go on. Something. This can cut two of them. Come over here for this. Two done now.
Yeah, man.
Done now.
Yeah. Keep it going right way, man.
Now I go plant out all of them viewers and subscribers. I want back food in it. I want to harvest back some sweet potato later on, you know where you go. So we have to plant back. We have to plant back where we reach. Them here are the slip viewers and subscribers. So the sweet potato them are going to grow right here, so. There, right here, so the sweet potato them are going to bear back. So we have put the part here back in the dirt. Yeah, viewers and subscribers. So down to the last one now. Last one we are going to plant right here, so. Come across a bit. So this is still up here.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Alright. Come closer. So right here, so the last one. We'll plant the last two right here, so viewers. Yeah, viewers and subscribers. So that's how we plant sweet potato slip. So we can get sweet potato on the farm. Yeah. So that's how we do it, viewers and subscribers. You know, we get a little harvest right here, so come on the video. We get a little harvest right here, so same time we did a plant it. Sweet potato them. Yeah, alright. So viewers and subscribers, so that's how we plant sweet potato slip down here in Jamaica. That's how I plant my sweet potato slip for harvest. And you know, I get sweet potato. And we get a nice little harvest right here, so come jug it. We get a nice little harvest right here, so. And so we are going to take it to home and store it. Yeah. So that's how we plant sweet potato down here in Jamaica. Viewers and subscribers. Thanks for supporting. And remember to keep supporting the channel, keep watching the channel. You know you go viewers. Until next time, I'll see you guys. Keep safe. You know. Have a healthy and a happy life. And remember viewers and subscribers, eat what you grow and grow what you eat. Yeah. Peace.
We out.